Hello and welcome to another How to Draw video. And Natasha, do you want to tell them what we'll be drawing today?
Christmas pudding.
That's right, we're going to be drawing a delicious and cute Christmas pudding. So before we get started, we need some drawing materials.
Markers.
That's right, markers,
Paper.
and something.
You can use whatever you like. Oil pastels, paint, markers, and pencils.
Yes, so anything you want to colour it in. So we like to use markers, but you can use whatever you like, basically. All right, so we hope you follow along and you have lots of fun, the most important part. So are you ready to go?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Alrighty, so we've got our paper, we've got our markers. Let's draw a yummy, yummy Christmas pudding. So the first thing we're going to draw on top is we're going to draw a bit of decoration. So normally we have Christmas pudding, you put some mistletoe or some holly on it. So we're going to draw that. So to start off with, we're going to draw 3 little circles. They're all going to be kind of behind each other. So we draw one circle, and then just behind that we draw another one, and then just behind that a little bit we draw another one. So we've got 3 little circles. These are the berries of the mistletoe. Alrighty, good job, that's looking wonderful. Now we're going to have a couple of pieces of leaves sticking out. Now with these leaves, we're going to make them little curved shape, like stretched out U's. And so I'll show you one here. So we're going to go a little curve like that, then another curve, and then another curve, and then another curve, and then another one, and another one, and one more. So we're going to look like that. And it doesn't matter if it's not even or if it's not straight, because in real life, when you look at the leaves, it's not all perfectly shaped sides. So they're going to be a little bit different each side, which is nice. And then in the middle, I'm just going to draw a bit of a stem of the leaf. Great. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. So one more behind it, do a little curved line, then another one, and then draw another one like this, another one like that. And then again in the middle, draw like a little stem of the leaf. Wonderful. All right, so the next part of the pudding, which is probably my favourite part, is the topping. So normally you have some icing or you have some
cream, yogurt.
Well, yeah, probably not yogurt, but you may have some sauce on it as well. So we're going to draw that first. So we're going to draw a little line down here on the side, and then it's going to jump up like that, so like a little hook. And then we're going to do the same on the other side, a little curved line, and then goes around like that. Yeah, and then we're going to join these up. We're going to draw little U's in there as well. So we do 1, 2, 3. There we go, it's looking good. So the next part, we're going to do the sides of the pudding. So we're going to do 2 lines on this side. So we're going to start here on the corner, and we'll go down. It's a very slight curve to it. I'm going to stop about here. Yeah, and then we're going to repeat that on the other side, and we're going to make sure we're going to stop in the same place as well, and do a little slight curve, like that. And then all we need to do is join these 2 parts in the bottom with a line, and we're going to make it a slight curve to that as well. So there we go. And there is our pudding. So the next thing, with a pudding, we need to put it on something, because you just don't put the pudding on the table or put it on the floor. What do you put a pudding on?
A plate.
A plate. So we're going to draw a plate, which is a nice kind of big oval shape. So we're going to start here. I'm going to go around the corner. And keep going round, 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 another little corner. There we go. So it's a nice long oval shape, and if the pudding wasn't there, the lines would just continue behind it there. Great. Now just to add some more details, we're going to do another little curve along the bottom here, because plates aren't flat, they have a little bit of depth to it. Great. There we go. So this is now our pudding. But what I'd like to do is I'm going to add some extra details in it, just to make it extra cute. I'm actually going to make it a face, so it's actually going to be like a little character. So in here, I'm going to draw 2 circles, like this, for his eyes. Yep. And then another little circle in here, again, just to give it some highlight and details. Okay, now because this is a Christmas pudding and Christmas pudding is happy, we're going to give him a big happy smile as well. So we draw a little line, and underneath that we're going to draw a U. That's right, joining it up. Because that's his big happy smiley mouth. And because his mouth is wide open, we're just going to draw another little curve there to show his tongue. That's right. There we go.
Now it's time to do the reflection.
Oh yes, we can add some reflection, that's right. So we do that on the top here, because this is the icing and it's it's
shiny.
Nice, shiny, that's right. So we do a long curve like that.
And another one there.
Yeah, you can do another little dot here. So it kind of looks like a stretched out exclamation mark, and that adds a bit of a shine to it. Alright, so that's all our lines are done. So the next part is to colour in. So we're going to fast forward this part.
And we will see you soon.
We'll see you very soon when it's all done. Alrighty, there we go. We've finished colouring in our Christmas puddings. And I think they look amazing. They look very delicious. I'm actually a little bit hungry now. Thanks again for watching our video. We hope you had lots of fun. If you'd like to see more, please like and subscribe to our channel. Also, would love to see your drawings. So if you are sharing these on social media, don't forget to tag them with Mr. Ono Studio so we can have a look at your wonderful creations. Also, if you have a great idea for a new drawing video, you can let us know. We're on Facebook and Instagram at Mr. Ono Studios and would love to hear your suggestion.